Hello everyone, I am going to explain question number 2 from exercise 3.2 and this question belongs from 10th class maths. Dividing the first polynomial by second polynomial, check whether the first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial. So here the first polynomial is gx and the second polynomial is fx. So we have to divide the second polynomial, that is fx, by gx, and after dividing it we have to answer whether this gx is a factor of fx or not. So first I wrote here gx and fx. When I wrote here, we have to take care that the term should adjust in descending order of the variable's power. So it is already adjusted, so no change I had done. I wrote them as it is. Now we have to start the division process. So we have to divide the fx by gx. So like this, outline is like this. Here I wrote fx and here I wrote gx. So to find out the quotient first term, the first term of dividend, that is 3x to the power 4, you have to divide by the x square. So 3x4 you have to divide by x square. So this will cancel each other. So in cancellation or in division the powers get subtract. So here power is 4 and here power is 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So we will obtain here 3x square. So 3x square I wrote here. This 3x square, 1 by 1 with all the terms, it will multiply by divisor. So 3x square multiplied by x square. In multiplication, you know that powers of variable get add. So we get here 3x to the power 4. That I wrote here. In the same way, 3x square multiplied by 3x is 9x square. 9x cube, sorry. Because square and it's 1. So power is going to be cube. And 3x square multiplied by 1 is 3x square. So when you will write the product here, adjust with the like terms. Now do the sign change of the product. So plus will change to minus. Like this, do the sign change. Now 3x and x4 and 3x4 will get cancelled. So it's 0. It's of plus sign, it's of minus sign. So plus minus we have to do minus. And so we'll get here 9 minus 5 is 4. And sign of big number. So I appointed minus sign because 9 is greater number. Minus minus plus and sign is of minus. So we got here minus 10x square. This plus 2x and plus 2 as it is. Now after writing the subtraction, we have to check the variable's power whether they are again in the descending order or not. So they are in descending order. So now we will start the step second. In step second, the first term of dividend, that is minus 4x cube, and first term of the divisor, that is x square, you just divide. And you will get here minus 4x. So write minus 4x here. Now minus 4x, first multiplied by x square, you will get minus 4x cube. Minus 4x multiplied by 3x, you will get here minus 12x square. Now minus 4x multiplied by 1 is minus 4x. Now do the sign change and subtract them, you will get here 0. Now here it's of minus sign and 12 is of plus sign. You have to see the new sign only. Minus plus minus and sign of big number, and here plus plus you have to do plus and this 2 as it is. Now this 2x square we have to divide by x square for step third quotient. Now x square cancel by x square, we obtain here 2. So plus 2 just write here. Now this plus 2 1 by 1 just multiply by the divisor's term and you will get here 2 multiplied by x square is 2x square. 2 multiplied by 3x is 6x and 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. Now do the sign change. So plus will change to minus and this plus will also change to minus and plus will change to minus. So you might have noticed here when we are changing the sign of the product, we are not bothered about what is the sign here. You only have to reverse the sign. If it is a plus sign, change to minus, and if you have minus sign like this, you have to change to the plus. Now after doing the sign change in the last step, the difference goes 0. Now since remainder is 0, here remainder is 0, that's why gx is a factor of fx. Now in the same way, we will start the second part of the same question. In second part, the functions are in terms of p. Again the powers are in descending order of the powers, already adjusted. So directly we will start the division process. So first I wrote here gt and then I wrote here ft. Now ft we have to divide by gt. So ft I wrote here and gt I wrote here. So to find out what will come as the quotient, first term you have to divide by the first term. So 2t to the power 4 you have to divide by t square. So when we divide, we will get here 2t square. So that 2t square just right here. Now this 2t square multiplied by t square. So power is 2 and here also power is 2. So it's going to be 2t to the power 4. That is just write down here. Now 2t square multiplied by minus 3. So it's of minus sign and it's of plus sign. So plus multiplied by minus is of minus. And 3 to the 6. So we will get here minus 6t square. That you just write down under the square term. Now since we not obtained here any cube term, so we are not going to write down anything here because this space is going to be vacant. And so when you will write down the product, take care that it should adjust under the same variable, same power, means like terms together you have to write down. Then just do the sign change, subtract them, you will get 0. This 3t cube as it is, and here also plus minus you have to do minus sign of big number, and this as it is 9t square and minus 12 as it is. Now to find out the step second quotient, this 3t cube you have to divide by t square, that will give you 3t. So this 3t you just write down in the quotient, it's of plus symbol because plus divided by plus is plus. So sign also you should notice. So plus 3t. Now plus 3t you have to multiply it by t square, we will get plus 3t cube that I wrote here. Plus 3t multiplied by minus 3 will give us minus 9t. Then I done the sign change, I subtracted. That gave the answer like this. Now to find out the quotient in third step, the first term is 4t square and here the first term is t square. We'll divide them, we'll get 4 answers. So plus 4 I wrote here. So plus 4 will multiply by both, that will give us this quotient, this product, that is 4t square and minus 12. Subtract them. So again we got remainder as 0. Now since remainder is 0, that's why gt is a factor of ft. So like this we have completed the 2 parts from question number second. Now only one part remains, that you just try by your own self. Further if you have any problem, write down in comments so that I can clear up your doubts. Thank you.